Ask about any market and get an answer. Only for members and only from MarketClub.com. Hello investors, traders, and Market Club members everywhere. Adam Hewison here, co-founder of Market Club, with your market update for Tuesday, the 14th of January. Well, many traders have come back from their holidays, and of course yesterday was a sharp down day for the indices, but the reality is these are going to be more of a two-way markets, I believe, in 2014. One of the interesting things we're going to look at today is gold. This is the first signal we have had in gold. The chart you're looking at on the screen is gold, and there's some positives there, and let me show you what they are. First off, the last signal we had in gold was right here at $1,284.06. That was on the 10th of November. This is the first signal we've had in gold for quite some time. That happened on the 12th at 1246, so you can see quite a bit lower. This appears to me as though the market's trying to build a base to go high. We talked about this in a special report, which you'll see the link on our copy, but you'll see it's sort of trying to base out here like this. I think if we were to get over this level here, this is going to be an interesting level for this market to go over. That's around the 1260 area, and if we go there, I think we'll see this market move up. This will be maybe the formation. We're seeing a little bit of a head and shoulders base here. Also, we have a double bottom if you go further back in time, but getting over this level here is going to be a very big sign to us, and I think there we could see the market tick up to the 1320 level, which is where we're going to find resistance in our opinion. So you've also got an RSI indicator that's plus over 50, which is a very strong sign, and the MACD looks good. Plus you have our trade triangles right here, and we do trade on the weekly and the daily in our World Cup portfolio. You can see the results there, and they've done very, very well in gold. So let's move on to our next market. Here we are, we're looking at the Dow, and as you can see, even with yesterday's sharp down move, we did not get a signal to actually exit this position. However, it's very, very close. I would say if you take out yesterday's low, there's a good chance we'll have a weekly signal come in. I'm not convinced this market's going to turn around and start going back up again. I think we'll see more backing and filling. Certainly RSI is right back to an area of support, so it should find support here. Whether it does or not, we'll have to see. We're below the parabolic, which is not a good sign. So anyway, there's a really mixed picture in the Dow. But looking at the other markets, the other indices, like the S&P, we did have a signal to exit the position at 1822.92. That was yesterday on the 13th. And you can see the market's now in a trading mode. We're back down to the 50 level, which should provide support. Whether or not it does, we'll have to wait and see. Pretty much the same thing in the NASDAQ. There's the signal, 4,103.75. The market is a little bit higher than that right now, but nonetheless that was a valid signal. And again, we think this market can move sideways to lower in the intermediate term. One thing stock that caught our attention was a stock called Apollo Investment. This is a very inexpensive stock. It's trading around $8.62. You can see, let me just take this off. You can see we had a weekly signal yesterday at $8.35. It's $8.62 now. I think this is a very low bar to get in. I think it's a very potentially a good trade longer term. Big key there, if you move over this level here, and I'll scope this out even further, if you move over this level and close over, I think over the 9 level, it's going to look awfully good in our eyes and capable of going quite a bit higher percentage wise, not dollar wise. So keep an eye on Apollo Investments, symbol AINV. The other market I want to share with you today is a company called SodaStream. They've had a lot of publicity. They seem to do very well in getting publicity. But the bottom line is this stock really does not do well. And what I want to show you with the trade triangles, let's scope that in really close, is you can see this is our last weekly trade triangle, which means either get short, because we had a monthly right back here, back on the 31st of October at $55, telling you the trend was down. Now, even though the trend sort of went sideways for a while, we had a buy signal, or an exit signal I should say. We did get a signal here at 54.51, just 49 cents lower than this one here, indicating that the trend had once again resumed going down. Now look at the move here from $54.51 to $37. I mean, that's a huge move percentage-wise. In fact, yesterday this stock was down almost 26% and not looking good. So again, the trade triangles can help prepare you and save you a lot of heartache and headaches just go with those and you'll find they'll do very, very well. Euro, once again, is beginning to look higher. We just need the weekly to turn around. That's going to look very, very good, but it's trying to move higher. We're just getting flat on the 50 line. I think a little more strength there, and we're going to see this market go higher. Crude oil, potential. We're seeing some sort of basing action here. It's a little bit of a divergence. We need a little more evidence in a downtrend. Obviously 90 is a negative trend. We need to see more evidence of this market basing out in order to get bullish. It's not there yet, and I would say remain bearish at this market. Hey, this is Adam Hewison. The markets are real now. We've got a lot of volume, a lot of traders back from vacation. Every success using MarketClub. Be sure to use our Q&A section to ask any questions about the markets that we can help you with. Have a great trading day, everyone.
You can find Adam Hewison as a regular contributor on Bloomberg, Business News Network, CNBC, and Fox Business News.